Mr. Daddy. So here he is, just cutting up some strawberries because we are doing, so hi, I'm here, hi, and we are doing, I'm having no top on, I'll just go and get a top while you watch Mr. Daddy. And
they can't see me.
I'm putting my, they can, now they can, a banana, some strawberries and some blueberries. So, hi, I'm here and we're so excited today, aren't we? So here we go, we're going to do the next part now even though we haven't done any, and my dad's joining in.
Yep, so what we need to do is, you've got the flour and you need to put a quarter of a teaspoon in there.
Yes.
Yep. A teaspoon, that's too much.
That much?
Yep, about that.
In here?
Yes. That's it. And then what you need to do now is we're done with that. So we can put that over there. And then put the flour into there.
All of it?
Yep. And then you need to put the almond milk in after you've had a drink.
Yes.
Oh, not having a drink then, okay. Put the almond milk in.
All of it?
Yep. It's so easy to make pancakes. And then you just need to mix it with the whisk. So mix it nice and hard. If you hold the bowl it might be easier as well. You want to try mixing it?
Yeah.
I'll mix a bit of it up for you. You have a little break. Mix it nice and hard like that.
So it's not bumpy?
Yep. You need a bit more milk, I think. Put a bit more in. Just add it until it's the right consistency of how you want it, really. The flour and the milk doesn't really matter too much.
And at the end when we decorate it, you can put anything on there that you want.
Anything on there. So that's quite good. It's quite thick. I want yours a bit more watery.
Water?
Watery, not water, but just a bit more
like
like less thick.
It will feel like water.
Yeah. So that's quite good. So thick to have like that. And also, what else are we going to do, Felicity? We've got this. We've got cinnamon as well. So we have put a bit of cinnamon in there.
Cinnamon.
Make it nice
And
sweet.
cinnamon. I said cinnamon.
Cinnamony. And also, we have got some food colouring. So what we're going to do with that, Felicity?
So we can put it in here.
We've got pink and we've got purple as well. So what colour do you want?
Pink. Is this pink?
Yeah. So if you take, just put a bit how much you want in. Just pour it a little bit, tiny bit at a time as it goes really pinky. And then mix that and see what that does. Put a bit more in, I think.
Yeah. Didn't do anything really.
Just don't put too much in because it'll go sort of red. Mix it.
Red, I think. That's actually nice, it didn't turn red. Just don't put too much.
Let's put a bit more in.
Yeah, because it's not really pinky. Is it?
The thing is, once you've mixed it,
Like
and you cook it, it goes a bit more, less colour in it, so you've got to put quite a bit in.
It's like not really getting that pink, but just a little bit. Starting to turn a little bit pink. Okay, now it's getting pink.
That's it. Touch more and then that's it. You're done.
Yeah.
So this is what it looks like after the food colouring. Slightly pink. Now we're going to cook them.
Yep.
Fun bits.
Look at that drip.
So let's do it.
Yep. So you can get one of these if you want the pancakes to be nice and perfect. They're like that. Nice and round. So you put this thing over here because that's where it's supposed to go. And you pour the pancake mixture into there. So that's what you do.
Right, so we're going to cook the pancakes now, Felicity.
Yep.
Let's get the heat on and get it going. So let the oil, put a bit of oil in there or butter or whatever you like in there for the pancakes to cook. Let that heat up a bit. See that, Felicity?
Oh yeah.
That'll be all nice.
Oh, lovely pancakes.
Put our little round thing in a minute.
What brown thing?
Round thing. We'll put our round thing in.
Yep. Round thing.
Plates.
So here's the little round thing.
Right, let's make one. See how this comes out. Never done this before, so this is our first time trying it.
Yeah, we normally buy pancakes.
Yeah, when we buy them, we normally make them, but we've never used this round thing before.
Yeah. We used to buy
Heat
them.
up for a little bit. Flip it. See, this is going to be interesting.
That's good. That is good. Now it's time to flip. Oh, it's looking so good.
Good, and then we'll do another one here.
You might do more pancakes than two.
I'll do more than two. Let that down. And what we'll do, Felicity, is we'll put the oven on a low heat so we can keep them nice and warm. Get some foil.
Probably no one likes cold pancakes, but I don't.
No, I don't. Not nice cold pancakes, horrible.
I know.
So we'll flip
You
this
guys
one.
might like it, but we don't.
Flip this one now.
It's gonna be so yummy.
That one's done.
We're just gonna do a few more and then we'll be back with you. So we finished the pancakes, now we're gonna decorate them.
Yep, so let's do it.
We have some strawberries, some blueberries, some bananas, and we have some chocolate.
Don't touch that plate. It's boiling hot. So here's our pancakes.
What plate is boiling hot?
And here's what they look like. And quite a few. Are you ready?
Yep.
What are you going to put on yours?
I'm going to put some strawberries on mine.
Strawberries. I'm going to put... How many do you want?
I want 3.
Boiling. I'm going to put... There's the strawberries.
I'm gonna have some strawberries because they're boiling hot. So I'm going to take which strawberry? This one. And I'll put it on my.
Put some maple syrup on mine.
I'm gonna put some of that first.
And maple syrup.
I'm gonna try strawberries.
I thought you said chocolate spread. You can have this. Try strawberry. Mmm.
Mmm.
So nice.
Yummy.
Drizzle it on.
Drizzle. Nice and yummy.
And also I'm going to have some blueberries and banana.
Put some strawberry on mine.
Can I just get a knife out of there? Sorry. Slice it up. This is looking so good. Don't forget those. That's the most important thing.
That's so yummy. I'll put some of this pancakes. So looks so yummy so far. Look at mine. It has some.
Oh God, yours looks so good.
There's some
Wow.
strawberries and some chocolate with
What else
sprinkles.
is that it? Put a bit more of that. That's it for me, I think.
I think that's it for me too.
So,
We have done
here's our pancakes.
nice pancakes.
To get a closer look at them. Felicity's looks delicious. And there's mine. And we've still got some left over as well with what we made. I forgot to put some strawberries on mine. Can't forget that. So many.
I'm gonna have some more.
So now we're going to do the best part of this video.
Eating it.
And we are going to eat them. So, thanks for watching our video. And we'll see you soon.